blessing him. I don't know what you come to do, but I come to praise the Lord. Now that I got you standing, those that are looking for a blessing, I want you to look to your left, look to your right. Now I want you to look behind you, look again in front of you, and now I want you to turn around. Now I want you to turn around again. Because every time I turn around, he keeps on blessing me. Hey! I feel some strongholds being pulled down tonight. I see some addiction being broke tonight. I feel salvation in the air. It's in the building.